lights. Oh my gosh, that ring light is so bright. Okay guys, I haven't done this in a while, so I'm gonna be sitting on a trash can to get some type of elevation. Let's see. Okay, this kind of makes sense. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be doing like a very brief cleaning video. It's not really gonna be anything too much in detail, and I know I keep looking at the viewfinder and it's getting a little crazy. So yes, I do have extensions. They're not permanent. They're just kind of like the off-brand of the Halo. Easy to actually put in. I'm actually not even putting them in correctly. I just kind of have them like flopped to my head, so they're not really how they're supposed to be. My real hair is like super short. It's super short and it's super thin, and it's dark brown. So anyways, let's go ahead and get on with this video. I don't know, what are you guys wanting to see these days? I'm not sure if like my channel is composed of people who like cleaning videos, or more of do-it-yourself projects or reviews or any of that kind of stuff. I'm still kind of in the experimental stage where I'm just trying to figure that out, trying to figure out what my personality is for YouTube, even though I've been on here like 5 years. It really shouldn't be trying to figure that out still. But yeah, so you guys let me know what you want to see and I will try to deliver it. But yeah, I'm still gonna do the things I want to do and what I'm passionate about and what I think you guys might also like. But without anything else said, let's go ahead and get on with this video. Alright guys, so I want to show all of you what is going on as far as new things in the room. So this right here is just kind of like a flower bouquet. I got it on Amazon. I actually got it, it's like a 2-pair or something like that. I guess they're for weddings or whatever. So yeah, the bouquet actually came from Amazon. The other one is on the other side of the bed, and you know, that creates a form of like symmetry and kind of looks good. It's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, and that is something I majorly lacked in this room. But yeah, so these are garage sale type of dressers. I recently painted them white and just, you know, spray painted the hardware. But yeah, that's what that one looks. And this is my outfit of the day right here. I got this type of little, I don't know, tank top or whatever. I got this from a thrift store, and the leggings, they came from Amazon. I actually have a whole bunch in this type of material and brand. Very happy with them. I will link them down below if you guys are interested. I'll just go ahead and do it anyways. So they're very comfortable. I don't know why I'm always out of breath. They just kind of like fit like that, a little bit loose in this area. I probably need to go for a different size. And then every top I have that's slightly bigger or doesn't really show a lot of form, I always tie it just to create more of an actual kind of contoured form. Okay, this thing right here, this actually came from Amazon too. It was just one of those clear type of nostalgic jelly freaking watch bands. All right, that is that. Yeah, so we picked this one up on the road about a week ago. He looked rather healthy and he wouldn't cost us a lot of money. So welcome to the family, Cosmo. Cosmo's like, this is my nap time, 10 to 2, woman. Okay, so you could probably see a little bit of this in part of the other parts of the video. I don't even know what I'm saying these days. Okay, so right here, this little handle grip thing, it actually just kind of holds your phone. All of you guys have probably seen stuff like this anyways. But yeah, so it grips it right here, makes it where it doesn't like fall on your face and like break a crown or whatever. But yeah, let's see. And here is the other bouquet. The actual glass jar came from Dollar Tree. So yeah, it was just kind of one of those little things like, let's spend a little bit of money here, but let's pretty much just keep this cheap. This little turntable, or whatever you call it, or Lazy Susan, it actually came from Big Lots. It was rather cheap, or rather inexpensive. And this is the same dresser, same deal, same thing. Okay, so I want to show you guys something really cool. Like I said, I painted this, and drawers really don't have much of anything in them, but I did find kind of a solution for this, and I got this stuff right here. I kind of like the pattern of it. I think it's kind of gender neutral, and I don't really think it'll be anything I'll grow that sick of within the next like 2 or 3 years or whatever. But yeah, it's contact paper. The intentions, what I want to do with this is just kind of like cut out a little square and kind of lay it at the bottom and like create, you know, a little bit nicer type of appeal to this drawer. All right, so that is that. And then I would do the same thing for that, these over here. As far as the other dresser or whatever, nightstand, probably just figure out what he wants to do on his side. But that is my intentions. I'm sure the kids would want me to show you guys their little toy section. Cosmo loves these little poof balls. He seems to think the second it flies or goes anywhere, he can lay on it, just supposedly disappears. At least I think that's his thinking. And they're real cute, and I find them all over the house and clean them up all the time. So this type of glass calendar is one of my favorite things right now, even though it's not even on the wall. But yeah, they have some similar ones that are super crazy expensive on Etsy and pretty much everywhere. I don't know, I'm not willing to pay a crazy amount of money for this. But this one actually was rather inexpensive. I got it from Target. However, it only comes, like, they'll ship it to your house. You're not going to find it within the store. At least I haven't been able to. The shipping was rather quick, and I was very happy. But yeah, it's gonna, the intent of this is to be put on the wall like this. So I'm very excited for that to actually go on the wall, and I don't know how to work any power type of drills. But yeah, that is that.